are demanding? What would you like to state?
Well, I have been always been saying that in the biggest state of our country, the state is being run by rule by gun, not by rule of law. And this is the second instance wherein a person has died in judicial custody. The whole world had seen that earlier. Two convicted prisoners, one happened to be an ex-MP, was shot dead. Mr. Ansari was an ex-MLA, and he was in judicial custody. And when this family has filed a case in Supreme Court, stating to the Honorable Supreme Court that there is an apprehension by the family that he will be killed inside the prison. Now he dies, and the family say that slow poison was given. And the surprising and shocking thing is that he was not taken to a specialist hospital. He was taken to a hospital where no proper medical attention was given to him. And the most surprising thing and shocking thing is that within a short span of time he was sent back to the prison. So definitely what the family is demanding, I hope that the Uttar Pradesh government, in the interest of justice, in the interest of rule of law, will have an impartial inquiry, and the whole world should know what has happened. This is not on. This is not how people just go away, just die in a judicial custody.
सर, आपको क्या लगता है कि उत्तर प्रदेश जेलों में सुरक्षा नहीं है सर? इस तरह के कई सारे पिछले बार भी माइनॉरिटीज पे आपने बात भी उठाई, माइनॉरिटीज को वहाँ पर मारा जा रहा है, तो इस तरह के आरोप है।
नहीं, आप सवाल आप भी कर रहे हैं, मेरा जवाब भी आप दे रहे हैं, तो सही है बिल्कुल।
सर, वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन।
नहीं सर, क्या सुरक्षा नहीं है क्या उत्तर प्रदेश में?
नहीं, अब देखिए, अगर कोई हथकड़ी में दो प्रिजनर्स हैं और उनको पुलिस के सामने उनको गोली चला दी जाती है, और अगर कोई वहाँ के मुख्यमंत्री के बारे में कुछ फेसबुक पे अनाप शनाप बक ले, तो 48 घंटे में आप पहुँच जाते उसको। ये क्या हो रहा है? कैसे हो रहा है? रूल ऑफ लॉ से देश यूपी चलना चाहिए, रूल ऑफ गन से नहीं चलना चाहिए। इससे संविधान के ताल्लुक से, कोर्ट्स के ताल्लुक से जो इकबाल होता है ना, उस इकबाल को बरकरार रखना चाहिए।
Sir, you are a barrister, so 600 lawyers writing a letter to CJI and Prime Minister calling it bullying, and Congress is known for this. He's saying
I am neither a spokesperson for both the parties, thankfully.
But how do you see, sir?
No, I need not answer on this. I am not a spokesperson of both these parties. They have their own people to answer. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir,